Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to pack or unpack files in a RAR or zip format. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find an app called RAR, it's AR, hit the search button. Then select this app and install it. When it's ready, click Open, allow to access and manage all files, go back, dismiss this notification, any app should be ready. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.